You can keep thinking taxes are only for big companies. Or you can face the truth and learn how SARS is already in your pocket. Either way, your money is at stake. To be taxed or not to be taxed? That's not the real question. Because if you sell Dikota or Okaramiriri, SARS is already in your pocket. So the real question is, do you know it? Or are you the last one to find out? Every single one of us, Mokas, is already an unpaid tax collector for the government. You make 3,000 rand selling Dikota. And then you spend it all, money airtiming, transport, the grocery how. Mar to SARS, that's 3,000 income, not revenue. When you sell something, how? Any tax that you collect goes straight to the government. How hirle muntu, umupatela salary. Part of that money, asiyabona. The government takes a cut. Big businesses get accountants, the rebates, even the refunds. Township businesses, they get penalties. No lawyers, no safety net, just fines. Most township entrepreneurs don't pay their taxes. Why? Because it's expensive and it's complicated. Some don't even understand the rules of the game. But SARS doesn't care about ignorance. Every rand that is not taxed at source, like a pay-as-you-earn from salaries, is treated as income. If you don't separate your business money from your personal money, SARS sees it all as taxable income and no excuses. These are the taxes every township entrepreneur must know. Number 1, provisional tax. This is the tax for informal businesses. This tax is for money that is not taxed at source, because SARS still wants their cut. Number 2, pay as you earn and UIF. How hirabato? Pay as you earn is the government's cut for doing nothing. And UIF covers rainy days for workers. And number 3 is VAT, value added tax. Once everything is going fine in your business and your revenue hits a certain level, 15% of the sale goes to the government for doing nothing. Most township businesses fail because they don't separate their money. You make 500 today, and then you spend it on grocery, transport, even shelter society. But tomorrow, you don't know if it was business or personal money. But to SARS, that's income, full stop. So here's a quick takeaway for all local entrepreneurs. Separate your money into buckets. One for taxes, like for provisional tax. Another for stock and inventory, fixed costs, your salary, even reinvestments. When you separate your money, you protect your income because you show real profits and avoid paying tax on money that isn't yours. SARS doesn't only go after big companies. Every Mzulu, freelancing, kasi business owner, even an employee plays this role. Businesses collect VAT and then passes it to SARS. Employers deduct pay as you earn and then passes it to SARS again. Even small businesses must keep records for SARS. Alive or dead, the government wants their taxes. Your estate, your business, your family, they'll all feel it if you ignore this truth. Every rand that passes through your hands, SARS expects you to account for it. Big corporates get accountants, rebates, even refunds. But township businesses, they get penalties. Every slip, every missed detail, every corner cut, it comes back with a fine. Because the system assumes you had a lawyer, an accountant, and a 3-year business plan before opening. But most township entrepreneurs get started because Spanish is fedile, or you are tired or you had to feed your family. So that's how most township businesses get started, out of survival, not a startup. Township entrepreneurs are penalized for not knowing things no one ever taught them. That's why many local entrepreneurs ignore taxes. They think it's not for them. But SARS watches, audits, penalizes. The day you decide to scale up your hustle and register your business or franchise your idea, the tax system catches you. If you didn't plan for it from day one, you're already behind. You can run, you can ignore, but you can't escape. Because the government is like a casino. The house always wins. The government doesn't guide, it fines, thereby leaving township entrepreneurs in the dark. And that's where the township brains comes in. We help you stop being an unpaid tax collector with no plan. We mine our own data, our own knowledge, and build a tax path that works for the township, not against it. The system was never built for us, so we build our own way through it together. And as they say, only 2 things are guaranteed in life, and that's death and taxes. Death comes later, but taxes comes for your business today.